History tried to reduce this to rumor. But this was a love story that reshaped an empire. Suleiman, ruler of one of the most powerful states on earth. A conqueror feared across Europe.
And then a captive entered his world. Hurrem, taken as a slave, meant to be forgotten. Instead, she wrote to him. Letters filled with longing.
And prayed for his victory in war. He answered with poetry.
Suleiman, my soul, my only joy. She called him her soul, calling her my throne of love. This is not just romance, but this was not just romance.
We understand, my lady.
It is strategy.
She advised him.
The council will yield.
Only if we align.
They will see our will.
Then it is decided. And shifted palace power forever. For the first time in centuries, an Ottoman sultan took a legal wife. Their partnership shaped the empire's future. Not just a love story, but a turning point in history.